Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all three programs on my channel, and I also share calories as well. So this week I'm bringing to you a grocery haul from Walmart and also from Aldi. I had a very small Walmart grocery pickup to do, and then we actually physically went to Aldi. So I'm going to start over here with the Walmart things, and then I'll move on to Aldi, and then I will follow it up with my meal plan. So starting here with the Lucky Charms marshmallows. So with St. Patrick's Day coming up this week, I'm planning on making a couple things that are kind of within the St. Patrick's Day theme. These scanned out at 5 points for 15 of them. And if you're counting calories, it's 100 calories for 15. And they're pretty decent sized marshmallows. So these are like actually marshmallows. They're not like the hard. I know you can actually purchase the marshmallows from the Lucky Charms cereal, you know, the kind of hard ones. These are just regular soft marshmallows. And then we got a couple more of the everything rice cakes. We just absolutely love these. I know many of you said that you're having a hard time finding these, but we get them at Walmart. They've been having them there every time. These are 50 calories or 1 point per rice cake. If you have 2 rice cakes, it does become 3. So those are super good, and those are good with the Laughing Cow cheese. So we got a couple more things of Laughing Cow cheese. The garlic and herb kind is the kind that you can have. It's 1 for 1, or you can have 2 for 2. I really like the Swiss kind as well, but that kind scans out for, it's 3 points for 2 wedges. And then back here, I got some Fayette Greek yogurt. That's 0 on blue and purple. And you know what? I forgot to scan it on green. I think on green it is 3 points for half a cup. And then if you're counting calories, 90 calories for 3/4 of a cup. Some Chex Mix for my husband, 4 points per serving. And I think it's half a cup per serving. Yeah, half a cup is 1 serving. If you're counting calories, 130 calories. Back here I got some of the garden vegetable rice. We love this kind. This is 3 points for half a cup. You can have a whole cup for 7 points. If you're counting calories, 210 calories per cup. And then I also got some regular long grain rice. This is 5 points for 1/4 of a cup. If you're counting calories, this is 160 calories. And this is not the whole grain. This is regular white rice, so even on purple that would have points. I also got a couple things of our snack pack, sugar-free chocolate pudding. Those are 2 points each or 70 calories. Back here, I got some Kodiak cakes. Those are the buttermilk Kodiak cakes. I got some Del Monte fruit cups. I got cherry mixed fruit and a couple things of diced peaches. And these are the ones with no sugar added, so they are 0 points on all programs. And if you're counting calories, they're only 25 calories per cup. I got some little mini graham cracker crusts. These are for a recipe that I'm hoping to make this week for St. Patrick's Day. These are 4 points per crust. I got some Philadelphia 1/3 less fat cream cheese, 3 points for 1 ounce. And if you're counting calories, 70 calories. And I forgot to give you the calories on these. These are 100 calories per crust. And that is my little haul from Walmart. So now moving on to Aldi. Starting with the salmon, I got just a great big thing of salmon, and this is the sustainably farmed. This is not the wild caught. So if you are on green, this is a little bit higher in points. I think it's like 6 points for a 4-ounce piece. If you are on blue and purple, it is 0. And if you're counting calories, 240 calories for 4 ounces. I also got these elevation bars. We got these a couple weeks ago, and these are pretty good. They are a little bit high in points, and it's not like a real high protein. Actually, I just realized that this one, the caramel chocolate peanut nougat, these ones are 10 grams of protein. So the ones I got last time were the caramel nut. These ones are only 5 grams of protein. They both scan at 5 points each. And then as you can see, the calories on them are just a little bit different. 160 calories for the caramel chocolate peanut nougat and 130 for the caramel nut. So probably worth the extra calories if you're counting calories because you're getting double the protein on those. So, but we really like the flavor of those. And then picked up some marshmallow and stars for when my grandson is here. And I was surprised. Those ones are only 6 points for a full cup. So that's not too bad if you are one that likes kind of like Lucky Charms. I actually got those though in case Walmart didn't have those marshmallows. I actually picked those up just in case because I was going to pull the little marshmallows out of there. But the Aldi prices are just really good. This was like $1.29 for that whole box. All right, moving on to, let me kind of circle around, finish with the pointed stuff, and then I'll go to the fruits and vegetables that are zero. So I got some more of our chicken tenderloins that we absolutely love and pretty much make for everything. For those zero on blue and purple, if you're counting calories, it's 80 calories for 3.5 ounces. If you're on green, it is for 3 grams, up to 3 grams, you can have 0 points. Anything over 3 becomes a point. But then that 1 point, you can have all the way up to 9 ounces for that 1 point. And then some peanuts. These are 5 points for 1 ounce. And if you're counting calories, these are 160 calories. And I think I forgot to tell you the calories on the cereal. 140 calories per cup. And let's see, I got some light sour cream. 2 tablespoons is 2 points. And if you're counting calories, 40 calories for 2 tablespoons. Some blue cheese crumbles. 1 tablespoon is 2 points. If you're counting calories, it is 100 calories. And some potatoes. Potatoes, you can have 4 ounces for 2 points. If you're counting calories, it is 110 calories for 5.2 ounce potato. And of course, if you're on purple, potatoes are 0. Back here, I got some of the bread we like. This is 40 calories per slice or 1 point per slice. And it is the kind that if you have 2 slices, it's 2 points. And then some bagel skinnies. These are 3 points or 110 calories. And it's the everything kind. Those are really good. And then I got a couple of things of eggs. Of course, those are 0 on blue and purple. 70 calories or 2 points on green. And for fruits and vegetables, I got some blackberries, some broccoli, cauliflower. The mixed vegetables was a little bit strange because I thought mixed vegetables scanned on green. So first of all, for calories, they're 50 calories for 2/3 of a cup. Yes, 2/3 of a cup. 0 on blue and purple. These ones scanned for 2 points for green. And then these ones, the steamed ones, scanned at 0 for green. So if you're on green, I'm not really sure how you count those. I think with like peas and corn sometimes maybe there's points, so I'm not really sure why this one scanned and that one didn't. So just watch that if you're on green. And back here I got some apples. These are Snapdragon Monster Crunch apples. These say they're sweet and spicy with a hint of vanilla, but I got them because as you can see they look amazing. They looked so good, so I'm anxious to try them. I'm curious with the hint of vanilla what the flavor is like. I got a couple things of Brussels sprouts, some celery, and some green onion. So that's it for my grocery haul from Aldi and Walmart this week, and now I'll show you my meal plan. Okay, so here's my meal plan for the week, and with it being St. Patrick's Day week, I'm kind of trying to stay with the theme. So for breakfast prep this week, I'm planning on doing a St. Patty's pancake bake. That's if I can find green food coloring. We've been to 3 stores and we cannot find any green food coloring. I even tried finding like blue and yellow to mix together and make green. Can't even find that. The only thing we can find is red. But I think even if I can't find it, there's still something I'm gonna do to kind of make it a St. Patty's pancake bake. So I'm estimating that's going to be 4 points on all programs, and I have 200 plus calories because it's just going to really depend on the toppings. And if you're new to my channel, basically for breakfast and lunch, I schedule it for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I make 6 portions, 3 for me, 3 for my husband, and then we have that throughout the week. Sometimes, we might do Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, just depends. But for purposes of putting it on the meal plan, I just put it for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, I am going to do bacon, egg, and cheese bagels. Is basically using my bacon, egg, and cheese muffin recipe, but instead of putting it on a muffin, I'm going to put it on the bagel skinnies. So that's going to be 5 points on blue and purple, 7 points on green, 253 calories. And then Friday, I'm going to do a breakfast burrito. I'm teleworking Thursday and Friday, so I'm just going to make those fresh those mornings. So breakfast burrito Friday, 3 points on blue and purple and 7 points on green, 283 calories. Lunch, we're going to continue with the St. Patrick's Day theme, and we're going to do mini shepherd's pie. So typically shepherd's pie is made with lamb, but when it came over to the US, it kind of over the years got switched and now is made with beef. So you can say either shepherd's pie, cottage pie, whatever you call it, but I'm going to be doing mine with ground beef. Those are going to be 5 points on blue and green, 3 points on purple, and about 250 calories. I don't quite have the recipe complete for that one yet, but I should by the time I get this video up, or if not by then obviously in my meal prep video it'll be up. That will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday I'm going to do a chicken salad with grapes. And I think I got this recipe off Skinny Taste. No, I got it from the Skinnyish Dish. So that's a recipe from that website. 3 points on blue and purple, 5 points on green, and 180 calories. And also, just as a reminder, I will list all these recipes. I'll put the direct links down in the description box below. And then for dinners this week, Monday, I don't even remember what we're on. We didn't even have salmon last week, which was awful. I missed it so much. So this week for salmon, we're going to do the basil parmesan recipe. That is the Skinny Taste recipe. 3 points on blue and purple, 6 points on green, 289 calories. I'm going to do that with rice for 3 points and broccoli for 0. And if you're doing calories, I think the rice is, I want to say 90 calories for half a cup, I believe. And then broccoli, of course, very minimal, depending how much you have of it. Tuesday night, I'm going to do blue cheese buffalo meatballs. These are really good, and even if you don't like, like buffalo sauce, you can still make them without that sauce. And these are 3 points on blue and purple, 5 points on green, 255 calories. And then I'm just going to have some ranch cauliflower with that, which is 2 points on all programs and 98 calories. Wednesday night, of course, will be corned beef and cabbage. I'm going to do a slow cooker recipe, and I think this is actually a Weight Watchers recipe. I'm pretty sure I found this off Weight Watchers. This is going to be 8 points on blue and green, 6 points on purple, about 300 calories. I'm not sure because, of course, WW doesn't list calories, so I'll have to plug that into a calorie tracker like MyFitnessPal or something and see exactly what the calories are. I'm estimating around 300. That is a slow cooker recipe, and that's going to definitely make enough to have 2 nights, so we'll actually do that Wednesday night and Thursday night. Anything that's left, I think I can probably just put in individual bags and freeze it, and then we can have that another night. And then for Friday night, I'm going to do mushroom cap pizzas, and those are 2 points on all programs, 148 calories. So usually when I have those, I just double, and usually I end up with 4 points worth. For snacks this week, I'm going to do the rice cakes and Laughing Cow cheese, and then my 2-point puddings. And also, those apples that I bought, I'm going to have apples and PB2. Basically, just cut up some apples, mix it in a bag with some PB2. I don't add water or anything, just the PB2 powder, and just kind of shake it up. And just be careful. My friend Deb said that she had a big coughing attack because she inhaled the powder from the PB2. So be very careful. Make sure you shake that up and coat it all over the apples so that it's pretty damp. And don't be huffing it like Deb did. So that is going to be what I'll have throughout the week. I'll just kind of intertwine. Now, I won't have those every single night. One night I might do the rice cakes and Laughing Cow cheese. One night might be pudding. Sometimes might be a little bit extra, just depending on, like Friday night dinner is really low. So I may have extra points for snacks that night. So may do something a little bit more. And also, if you're interested in these meal plan sheets, I have these ones, and then you've seen me, I use ones that have Monday through Sunday. I have several different free printables on my website, planningushealthy.com. You're more than welcome to go there and print them out. I'll put a direct link to the meal plans down in the description box below. So I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy.
You're perfect as you are. Just